Here is a healthy Argentine fried banana recipe. Makes 2 servings and takes 20 minutes. 1 ripe banana. Choose a banana with light brown speckles for natural sweetness. Half cup rolled oats. These add texture and fiber to the batter. 1 large egg. This binds the oats and banana for a crisp exterior. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Adds warm flavor that pairs perfectly with banana. 1 tablespoon olive oil for frying. Use a light oil to brown the banana without excess fat. A pinch of salt. Balances the sweetness and enhances flavor. 1 tablespoon honey or light dulce de leche optional. For a touch of sweetness when serving. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Peel 1 ripe banana and slice it into 12 even rounds about 1/4 inch thick. Mash 3 banana rounds with a fork in a bowl until smooth to make about 3 tablespoons of banana puree. In a bowl combine half cup rolled oats, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and the 3 tablespoons of banana puree. Stir vigorously until you obtain a thick batter that holds together but is spoonable. Let the batter rest for 2 minutes so the oats hydrate. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon olive oil, spreading it to coat the surface. Spoon 1 tablespoon portions of batter into the skillet and flatten gently into rounds about 1 inch wide and 1/4 inch thick. Cook for 2 minutes on the first side until golden brown. Do not overcrowd the pan. Flip and cook the second side for 1 minute until the rounds are set and lightly browned. Transfer the cooked rounds to a plate lined with paper towel to absorb excess oil and arrange them in a single layer. Repeat frying with the remaining batter until all rounds are cooked, following the same timing of 2 minutes and then 1 minute. Serve warm with a drizzle of 1 tablespoon honey or a small spoon of light dulce de leche and a sprinkle of extra cinnamon. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Enjoy immediately as a healthy snack or light dessert. Store leftovers refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 1 day. Now we'll finish the recipe. Closing thank you and enjoy. That's it. If you enjoyed this healthy Argentine fried banana recipe, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick recipes.